The illustration you are seeing now is an illustration of the Milky Way galaxy, which is 100,000 light years in diameter. But at the same time, it is home to billions of stars and planets alike, including our planet Earth. The reason our home galaxy is called the Milky Way is because when you look up in the sky on a dark night, when the night is clear, the stars look like little droplets of milk. Has curiosity ever taken over you, and have you ever wondered what exists out there in the universe? Well, the answer to that is there are infinite possibilities. Examples like stars and planets, all the way to black holes and neutron stars. But for this video in particular, what we're going to cover is going to be black holes, one of the most exotic piece of discoveries ever made by human beings. Now stay with me, ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on this discovery known as a black hole. And let us go on this journey together in order to know about the secrets of the universe. In 1915, Einstein discovered his general theory of relativity, which explained that the way gravity forms. He proved that gravity is the cause of the bending of the space-time, which basically means space and time are the same thing and exists like a fabric in the universe. And objects like the sun and Earth with huge masses bend space-time, which results in gravity. Shortly after this great discovery, scientists started studying it. And one scientist, by the name of Carl Schwarzschild, found out that if you compress a large amount of mass into a small enough space, you would have a black hole. Now, what does this exactly mean? How much mass do we actually need for this process to work? Now, let's get an example. You would have to compress the mass of the entire sun to a space no bigger than a city for the sun to become a black hole. Or another example, you would have to compress the mass of the entire Earth into the size of a coin. Now you may be thinking, is that even possible? Of course not. But a star many times larger than our own sun, at the time of its death, when its fusion goes out of control, it collapses in on itself and goes supernova. Now the process of a supernova is incredibly intense, and because of the amount of energy it releases, density increases to an unimaginable level in one small space. The pressure increases so much that the density will be infinite, so its gravitational pull will be so strong, nothing will escape it, not even light. Now enough about the way black holes form. Let's talk about the main keys in a black hole structure. In the middle, inside a black hole, lies a singularity. Scientists do not actually know what exactly a singularity is. It's like dividing a number by zero. But what they do know is that it's created from the intense pressure at the time of its birth. If you directly look at a black hole, what you will be seeing is the event horizon. Light can't escape beyond the event horizon. That means you have to travel at the speed of light if you want it to escape, which is not possible since the speed of light is constant. An accretion disk. Accretion disks exist around very big black holes, mainly called quasars. Quasars are incredibly old. They are billions of years old, and one exists at the center of every galaxy. These giant black holes consume a large amount of energy and matter inside themselves, and sometimes these energies, they don't quite necessarily go inside the black hole. They start orbiting it, and when a large amount of energy starts orbiting the black hole, an accretion disk is formed. Now let's talk about an interesting scenario. What would happen if you go inside a black hole? Let's say you have a spaceship. and you want to go inside one. The first thing that is important to mention is that time is incredibly slow around a black hole. So if a friend watches you from far away going inside a black hole, from his point of view, he will see you very slowly go inside of it. Then your body will be redshifted. This is due to light no longer reflecting on your body. After that, you'll completely disappear from your friend's point of view. But from your point of view, after you cross the event horizon, your view of the universe will go smaller and smaller until you will be surrounded by nothing but darkness. An escape will be impossible at this point. You will have to travel faster than the speed of light if you wanted to escape. After that, when you get closer to the singularity, the effect of gravity will be strong. Parts of you that are closer to the singularity will be pulled more strongly than parts of you that are facing away. So your entire body will be stretched out and ripped apart, meeting your inevitable doom. The concept of a black hole were only proven mathematically. We didn't have a clear image of it, not until 2017, where a team of highly skilled researchers, using the Event Horizon Telescope, captured an image of a black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy, 55 million light years away from us. You see, under normal circumstances, the concept of a black hole would never be believed in. But because of humanity's constant tenacity and the will in pursuit of the truth, the impossible can actually become possible. Thanks for watching.